Is your OpenOffice ODT file not opening, crashing, or showing strange errors? Need to recover your file? Introducing SysTools OpenOffice Writer Recovery Software. A powerful tool to scan, repair, and recover corrupt or damaged ODT files and save in ODT or RTF formats. Key features of the software. Recover corrupt ODT files, open, scan, and repair damaged OpenOffice Writer ODT files easily. No file size limit, recover ODT files of any size without performance issues. Save as ODT or RTF, export recovered files in both ODT and RTF formats. No OpenOffice required, recover files even if OpenOffice Writer is not installed on your system. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools OpenOffice Writer Recovery. Click on the top search result that links to the official SysTools website. Once you're on the website, click the download button to get the software. Once install the software, launch on your system. You'll see a clean interface, ready to begin the recovery process. Click on the Browse button, navigate to the location of your ODT file, and select the file you want to repair and recover. Once you've selected the ODT file, click Open to load it into the software. After the file is loaded, simply click on the Recover button to begin the recovery process. The software will now start scanning and recovering the selected ODT file. Once the scanning is complete, the software will display a preview of the recovered content within the ODT file. After previewing the contents, select an output file format under the Save As section. The software offers two options. OpenOffice Writer file, select this to save the recovered document in its original ODT format, ideal for continued editing in OpenOffice or LibreOffice. Rich text format file, select this to save the file in RTF format, which is compatible with many word processors like Microsoft Word, WordPad, and Google Docs. Click on the Save button to store the repaired ODT file in the preferred format. Select the path where you need to store the recovered ODT file. Now click on OK. With this step, ODT file recovered and saved successfully pops up. Click OK. Navigate to the location you had selected for storing the repaired ODT file after recovery. And that's it. That's how you can easily repair and recover corrupt ODT files in just a few clicks. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.